Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these guinea pig litter boxes. These have a 12-piece waterproof pee pads. They do come in a pack of 4. Alright, so we received our 4-pack of litter boxes, and we also got our pee pads. They're waterproof bottoms, they're soft and absorbent, the exquisite stitching on the pads. So the pad itself are 24 inches wide. The litter box is 13 inches, so you do get 4 in this box, and then the pee pads you do get 12 pieces, so those are super nice. You can use them inside, outside, or however you like to use them. I like to actually use them around the kennel. So this is suitable for various bedding materials, litter, wood particles, and wood shavings. So these pee pads you can put above or below, like I said. They are super nice. I like the fact that you do get 4 in this pack, so you have extra if you need to wash any of them. These are super nice. They're small animals, so you can use this for guinea pigs, rabbits, rats, hamsters. You can see that this is a really nice size. You don't have to worry about their foot getting stuck into these little holes. And these pads right here are waterproof, so if they urinate on top of this, it does not seep through to the bottom. It has a plastic bottom filling, as you can see right here, so it never seeps through them. These are super nice and comfortable. These are microfiber, so you can see right here they are stretchable, and you don't have to worry about the pee leaking at the bottom because it does hold it. These are washable, so once you're finished with these, you can just throw them into the wash and they will come out just as new. You can see how it's really thickened on the back, so no leakage on the bottom. You will not experience that. It's got a really nice stitching. As these are microfiber cloths, they're very soft, so your animal won't have any issues with their claws or anything. So you can set this on top if you want. You can put it under the pan on the very bottom, or you can actually stick it in between this top part of the pan and use this as your litter box. Or in my case, what I did was I just put it around the cage itself, just so if they do potty around the cage, this does pick up. I actually use bedding inside this little box right here, but it is super nice. My guinea pig really loves this. She actually prefers to potty in this versus their cage. So you can see how really nice these pads are. They get 4 of these little box containers for the litter boxes, so if you're washing one and then you want to use another one, you have more than one to actually do that. If you're looking for some nice litter pans for your rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, or animals like that, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super nice, and you get enough pads and litter boxes.